Oh my god. Levy, I didn't press it. Right, guys. Look. Dragon fruit. $8.99. Si Levy to Aspicas naghulat. Tapos mangosteen, $8.49. Look. Oh. Nice. Perfect. Tapos guys, nasa sila ani. Actually, they have na ako sa World of Fruits. Look guys, na ay lubi. Exciting. Ang lubi is £3.49. Luya ang lubi. Kay kauno na siya. Tanawang nawong. Eyes, nose. Charot. Pero guys, this is what excited me. $5.29. Jackfruit. Langka. Langka siya. Malagod na po di akong darling. Kay daghan ko ginaikot. Baby eggplants. Uy. Wala nice. Ano sa mga baby eggplants? Oh. £2.89. Upat kagagmay. Mga putot na ni. Murag ako. Okay. $8.29. Sweet corn. Oh well. Never mind. Nanapod ni sa fruits. Nangita ko og mangga guys. Ha? Frutas. Mangga. Mangga. Oh, guys. From, where is that? $9.99?
Depends which one you get.
This is the
$7.99.
from India.
That's $7.99. That's $9.99.
Hindi ito sa barato guys. Wait lang ha. Mangita.
And then the papayas, $9.99 as well.
Papaya. Malibang ta. No, thank you. Nagkuha mig isa guys. Mahala oy. Kasi kulubot siya oh. This one is nice too. Pero green pa. I'll eat the yellow one. Banana. Yeah, yeah.
$1.99.
Yeah, that's fine. Magpalit kog sibuyas, guys. Pero dako kaayo. Ito sila gamay. Kaning tisoy na lang. Sweet onion. Uy, ka-sweet. Sweet daw siya kuno. Pero I like red onion. Oh well. This'll do.